Hey guys, it's Fan Rashid here from Marketing with Rashid and welcome to this video. It's been a while since I've created a video. Reason being, it's very hard to find something to promote. That's the truth, it's very hard in this industry to find something to promote, and I thought I'll teach you guys something, and I've not quite figured it out, so instead I've decided to give you something anyway. So if you click the link down below, there'll be a link to my video course. It's about affiliate marketing, and it's the beginner's guide to affiliate marketing. So if you're a beginner, you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, how to do it the right way, especially using platforms like Warrior Plus or JVZoo, then this is going to be the course for you. Okay. If you're intermediate as well, if you've done a bit of affiliate marketing, you might learn some golden nuggets in here. I've got some secrets in there too. But like I said, it is for the beginners in mind, okay? So it's going to be very basic, and you'll click the link below. There'll be a page which will it'll be an opt-in page, okay? It'll be similar to this, but this is more like a sales page, okay? Explaining what you're going to get. So I didn't want to do a sales page kind of thing, so you'll come to an opt-in page which will look more like this. It'll be simplified. Okay, so all you'll have to do is enter your name and email address there, and the course will be given to you directly through email. Okay, once you've got access to the course, you'll get an email which will look similar to this. Okay, just scroll down here, click not on this one, that'll go to my Gumroad page. Okay, I've got some products on there. If you want to check them, I can click on that one there. But that one there, you click on that one, and you'll come over to this course here. This is basically, as you can see, this is beginner's guide, so it's really designed for beginners, really beginner friendly. Okay, I've got step-by-step videos showing you everything from start to finish on how to do affiliate marketing. Okay, the easy way. Okay, no messing about in this. If you need any support, there'll be that's my email there, so you can get in touch with me there. If you got any questions, just get best way to get in touch with me there. Or you can jump onto my Facebook as well and get join my group and speak to me on there. Well, like I said, it's best to email me. I'll get it straight away on my phone, and I'll answer it straight away. There you go. If you want to join my Facebook group, just click on that button there. That's my YouTube channel, and that'll be my website. And like I said, I'm going to show you everything. Basically, it's going to start how to find the products to promote, how to get your affiliate links. Okay, that's not as easy as you think, but how to get it, what to do, what to say to the actual vendor to get your affiliate links, how to get review access. Very important. You need to have the product there and go through it, make sure it's good, make sure it works, make sure who it's for and what to do, what it's all about, and explain that in the video. Okay, and review access is hard to get. You may just have to buy the course. You know, a lot of people do this the wrong way when they're reviewing something. I can't believe they still do this. They're just kind of going through the actual sales page. Okay, and they're not actually even they're not even got the product. They don't even know what it's about. They're just talking about the sales page, which you can do anyway by yourself. So here I'm going to teach you how to get the review access. The next one, how to create and deliver your bonuses. Very important. You need bonuses. You need good bonuses to give away. You know, so people buy through your links instead of someone else's. So I'll explain how to do that, how to deliver your bonuses as well. Yeah, and basically this is, I'm going to teach you how to prepare for the actual review, how to go through the product and how to make the review. Again, that's important as well. People don't do this, like I said earlier. I'm going to teach you to how to do a proper review. I'll speak about it, what it's about, how to make the actual video. So that's another video there. And all will be explained. I'll even show you how to create a website, okay? So I'm going to teach you how to create a simple website. So basically, if you want this course, it'll be free. All you have to do is enter your name and email address on this form below, which will be that one. There'll be a link below this YouTube video. Click it, enter your details, name, address, show me what I've got. You'll go to a kind of a thank you page, but wait for the email, okay? The email, which I showed you, which was that one there. Okay, this email, something that looks similar to this, will be in your inbox. Wait up to about 10 minutes. If you don't receive it, check your junk folder. Okay, the email will be there. Click on the link and you'll go straight to this product here. Okay, go through this in your own time, and I'll email you some more cool stuff which you'll be needing as well to get through this, to make it work. But really, just get this course and yeah, go through it. And watch out for my next video. I'll make another video. It'll be a follow-up from the previous video, how to get traffic and all that kind of stuff, and the best way. Just wait for that video. Okay, it's me, Isfan Rashid from Marketing with Rashid, and I'll speak to you next time.